Hello everyone. In this playlist, we will start learning statistics, right? So, unlike other playlists or unlike other teachers in YouTube, I will try to explain everything with examples, right? I will give you some example. Uh, at first, I will give you the real life example of everything, every term of statistics. Okay, I promise. And I will try not to make my lectures boring, right? So you just try to focus what I say, how I present things. I will tell just stories, right? So I'm not use any maximum time. I will not use a board or pen paper. I will just tell stories with you guys. So you just need to listen to me carefully. And another thing is that you need to be consistent, right? It's not like you will start watching my videos someday and you will watch so many videos in a day and forget everything. No, just keep watching, take some rest. Maybe the next day you watch the another video, and sometimes you can rewatch them, and sometimes you can rethink what I said about what topic. Yeah, and try to be used to with the names, I mean the terms related to statistics, right? Because these terms are really confusing, you know. uh, without being used to with these terms, uh, you you can't feel confident that you know statistics or you can apply them in your real life, right? Because the names really confuse you whenever you see difficult names, or the names you were used to few months ago or maybe a few days back, but you forgot this. So this name will make a real complexity in your mind, right? So try to be used to the names and imagine what they mean and in which case they are used in real life, right? Okay, first of all, you might be wondering where we see statistics. Okay, so uh, if you are if you are not enthusiastic, or if you are not passionate enough, you don't usually see where statistics is used, right? So you can say we use statistics always everywhere, right? If you study, if you read newspaper, or if you watch television, uh, you will see statistics in so many places, right? So if you watch cricket or football, uh, the expert people analyze this data of cricket and football matches and predict which team will win, or probability of winning of a team in the World Cup. uh, they determine, or they try to uh, find the result, right? So in these types of cases, statistics is used in, you can say, in stock market, uh, everywhere nowadays, in data science, machine learning, and maybe in, uh, you can say, trading. Yeah? So percentage is uh, really based on statistics plays an important role in percentage, right? Let's just discuss what statistics is. Okay, statistics is a science that deals with collection, analysis, and interpretation. Okay, interpretation and presentation of data. Okay, so how we analyze data, how we collect them, how we analyze them, and how we interpret, or maybe how we present data, uh, are, we can collectively say, a statistics, right? So we use data everywhere nowadays. Okay, so if you say in your real life, okay, so if you just make a statistics, or if you let's say there are 40 students in your class, right? So you're trying to know how many hours each student sleep at night. usually sleep, right? So it's obviously all the students will not give you the same data, right? Someone will sleep 5 hours, someone will sleep like 7 hours, someone will 8 and 5, someone will 8. Yeah, so that's how we can collect data, and we can analyze them, and we can make a decision, right? So that's how statistics work. Okay, so if you want, uh, if you observe, or if you want, you can think in your real life, in how many places you see statistics, and how beautifully you're using in your day-to-day life, right? When we study statistics, uh, there is an important topic which is called probability. We need to know the basic of probability, right? So I will discuss about probability later, but now I'm just giving you a hint. Probability is the chance of happening something. Yeah. So in general, we can say probability is a mathematical tool used to study randomness. Okay. So you can say, if you toss a coin, so what's the chance of getting head, or what's the chance of getting tail? So if it's a fair coin, I mean, if it's beautifully made or designed, yeah, so there's a 50-50 chance that you will get a head or tail, right? So if you toss 2 times, maybe you will get 2 times head, maybe you will get 2 times tail. Yeah. So maybe you do this 10 times, 15 times, you will get the random result. But if you do this for 2000, 3000 times, then you will get almost half times head and half time tail. So this is how probability works. Okay, probability doesn't mean the exact thing, uh, not exact uh, half times you will get head or tail, not exactly. Like if you divide 2000 by 2, then you 100 1000. So it's not like you will get 1000 times head and 1000 times tail. It's not like it might be 990 times head, or 1010 times tail. It could be, right? So probability is just a study of randomness. It doesn't give you the exact figure, right? So probability and statistics are interrelated to each other. So we we just needed this basic idea of probability. We will discuss about these things later. So for the time being, we will move on to our next topic. Thank you for watching.